I'm coming from work and I am extremely tired. I've been working all night, but I have the longest day ever because I have guests coming overnight. I'm hosting and then I'm also baking a cake. I have no idea how it's going to go. I need to fast through and rest. It's just one of those days that I have so much to do and I want to see how much I can get done before I crash and burn.
They all seem to change while I'm still the same.
Despite the fact that I've been working overnight, one of the things that I like to do when I get home or that the kids do is just ask, what did you bring? And this time I brought our son some football boots because we've really had a hard time finding football boots that are his size. So I'm really excited to see him try these ones out. It's been a long time coming. He is so passionate about football nowadays. And yeah, I'm glad that he can enjoy these shoes.
Like stone, I'll be here forever, waiting for your call.
This morning, my husband / cameraman / everything in my life is away for a business meeting, so the kids are continuing with schoolwork by themselves. They're able to do that, and what I need to do is to just take a shower, take off my makeup, and take a nap as they continue with class. They're really good at self-regulating themselves to do their schoolwork even when no one is there taking care of them or watching over them, and that frees me up to go and take a nap because I've been working all night. I am so tired. And I have so much to do, but I just feel that I wouldn't be able to do anything and to be any productive if I don't take this time to rest. Maybe a 2-3 hour nap, and then I can wake up, bake the cake, frost it, cook for my guests, prepare the house for hosting 10 plus boys. I cannot believe how exciting this is, but how much I have to do. And then we still have to go for our meeting later on with our birthday celebration. It's gonna be fantastic. Sometime late last year, we realized that our boys, we needed a sort of a mentorship group for our boys. We have 3 boys. The oldest one is about to turn 10. And then we just realized, I don't know, I just feel like the boy child has sort of been forgotten. Let me know if you feel the same way as I do. I just feel like I'm really happy for all the things that we're doing for the girl child. Yay, go girl child. But also boys are amazing, and we just need to sort of create an environment where they also feel that they can thrive and that it is amazing to be a boy, masculinity is celebrated and everything. So that's why we started this group with some of our friends who have boys who are of a similar age with our boys, because we just wanted to create a group for them, like to grow up together. The fathers come together and they mentor them. We have a sleepover at least once a month, and then there's the things they talk about there. So guess who completely overslept? My goodness. I woke up at 2. Instead of 12:30. The whole idea of waking up at 12:30 was to work out and then start my day. Now I don't even know where to start. I think I'll probably start with a cake because it needs to cool, because I need to frost it. It's needed by 6 p.m. It's now going to 2:30. Thankfully, it will hopefully be quick to cook. This is the way it goes. But it's going to be a fantastic afternoon and evening. I'm so excited for all the guys who are coming. I just need to make sure they find something to eat. And maybe some snacks before dinner. So, well, that happened. I overslept my breakfast. I'm having chapati and boiled eggs and goat meat because I'm really upping my protein intake. And then we get started. The kids are already done with their classwork, and now they're just keeping busy playing as they wait for their friends. It's a really exciting day. Everybody's so excited. So first, I'm starting with making the birthday cake because it needs to cool down before I can frost it. I'm making my 10 ingredient chocolate cake. I Love this cake. It never ever fails me. I've done an entire video showing you how to do it. Please let me know that you have at least tried it or that you are going to try it, because it is so easy. It comes out so well. I'm taking it a notch higher, as I said, because I need to frost it. It's a birthday cake, so it needs to look like a birthday cake. Frosting is not my strength. We are going to see how it goes. I'm filming by myself, as I say, because I don't have a cameraman. It's crazy. I have so much to do, but the cake must be done fast.
Like stone, I'm fit.
The recipe and the ingredients for this cake and all the details are going to be on our website. Our website is up. It has so many recipes. We are still adding more. Let me know if you have checked it out. We are really, really excited about it.
Like stone,
if you're new here, hi, my name is Susie, and on this channel we're all about making motherhood magical. And if this is the kind of content that you like, just living life, making your family a top front and center of all that we are doing over here, making delicious meals for them, keeping a wonderful home for them, and cooking amazing meals, remember to hit the subscribe button. And for my OG guys, I am so happy to see you always. I really appreciate you. Please give this video a thumbs up, because it really helps the channel to grow. I cannot wait to see whether or not I'm going to manage to do all these things that I'm attempting to do today after a whole night of working. Let's wait and see.
friends will come, friends will go. They all seem to change while I'm still the same. 'Cause I just can't let go. And there's no one to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stone.
So thankfully I am done with the cake. It is in the oven. It's 4:30. Hopefully it should get done and chill before I have to frost it by 6, because all things are possible. The chapels are going now. I just want to work on the beef stew and the beans and the rice in 1.5 hours. And I decided I'm going to stay in my workout clothes because I am determined. Even if it's only 20 minutes of like a HIIT workout, I will do it. Guys should be showing up any minute now.
Lovers come, lovers go, and their hearts seem to change.
Now it's time to work on the minced beef stew. Feeding a bunch of boys it needs a lot of creativity, and because the food needs to be delicious, the food needs to be a lot, and it also needs to be filling, because they are really, really active, and they play a lot. They're playing football, they're riding their bikes, they are running around. It's really so much fun, but we need to keep their energy up. Oh, and did I mention that some of these boys also come with their sisters, because we realized our daughter was also starting to feel a bit left out. First of all, she's an only girl with 3 brothers, and then on top of that, she has other friends out there. But now we realize, wow, we've started this mentorship group for boys. It's doing very, very well. But this girl, she might be feeling some type of way, So now, thankfully, two of the other families who were doing the boys mentorship thing with also have girls who are the same age as my daughter. So it just made sense that anyway, you're going to be bringing your sons here, might as well bring the girls, the more the merrier and everything. So you guys, I'm hosting about 15, maybe 12 to 15 kids. I mean, come one, come all, and that type of thing. So so it's quite a number of kids, and we need to keep them well fed, and fun, so much fun. I'm so grateful that I have someone to help me with this, because sometimes it can get a bit crazy, especially if I was working all night and I have to take the morning to rest. So our help has been so helpful, because she's helping me with the chapatis. She's still learning. They're not perfect, but I'll take them. You know what? Nobody's perfect, and all is good. If you struggle with making chapatis, I've done a very nice video teaching how to do that. You can check it out. So she's helping me with that, and I'm so happy. So guys, I want to introduce you to this amazing rice that I'm cooking for my guests today. I got this rice from a page on Instagram called Njoki Pure Pishori, and I'm so excited because I just want to show you the superior quality of this rice. It is pure Pishori, and what I love about these guys is they deliver. They deliver to you. If you're in CBD and from 525 kgs, imagine it's only 100 bob delivery. I love the fact that this lady grows her own rice. She has not mixed it with anything else. And today I'm going to show you just the quality so you can see for yourself. As in, this is the rice I've chosen to cook for my guests. So you can imagine how much faith I have in it. You wait and see. You wait and see, man. And I'm going to put their contacts and the link to their IG page down below. So I don't see why you'd be buying your rice anywhere else. You don't even know whether it's mixed or whatever. But these ones, you know for a fact, this is pure Pishori. Best quality. Let's cook it and see. Guys, I have to give a shout out for this rice, because first of all, even before we get to the cooking it, the convenience of actually it being delivered all the way to Nairobi CBD at such a favorable cost. You guys, it is so good for me, especially on a day like today, because I've just come from work. I don't have time to go and start buying rice I don't know where, and I need the rice to be of good quality, and I need the price to be favorable, because as you can see, I'm cooking for a lot of people. So I'm really, really grateful. I'm going to put the link down below. Please check them out, and yeah, let me know what you think, because I'm loving this rice. The first guests are here. We absolutely love these guys, and the boys are really thriving in our little boys mentorship group together with our boys, which is amazing. However, one thing I forgot is that filming a video while entertaining your friends and talking is not so easy, So I was trying to make whipping cream to frost this cake. I'm telling you guys, I got so sidetracked with the conversation and the stories. I over-whipped my cream. And so, I don't know why, I even forgot to film that, because so much was happening, guys. So now I had to come up with a plan B on how to frost this cake. Because remember, this cake must be frosted. You're not going to take someone a naked birthday cake for their birthday, surely. It gotta look like you tried, man. It gotta look like you put some effort, And my effort here is not efforting. So, man... Thankfully, being the resourceful girl I am, I have decided to now make frosting with margarine and cocoa powder and powdered sugar. And yes, I think this is what I was meant to do. I just think the whipped cream was just, it was not going to work as well as this one, because look at how chocolatey this is. What? And for the person who's just about to type and tell me that my cake is lopsided, stop. Just, as one of my friends likes to say, we left the shape for the models. Only models are supposed to have good shape, okay? The cake is for eating, not for looking. Don't quote me, okay? So after frosting that cake and feeding the children, making sure we left them nice and having fun and well fed, I never managed to work out, you guys. I just showered and just sneaked out of the house with the cake, rushing over to our other evening cell meeting because we were having to celebrate our friend. And yeah, one thing I have learned about this year, as I have said before in other videos, is that relationships are so important, and we have really loved the group that we have. Our cell group is absolutely amazing. And this is something that we really want to help our kids to build. Just have good friends whom you share the same values, who you can go through life with. And that was one of the reasons why we started the mentorship group. Another reason, of course. And yeah, we are so blessed to be surrounded by so much love. And we really like to see it for our children as well. Now, in the mornings, the boys go together with the dads, and they're having their mentorship thing. And then the girls, we are also having our own mentorship thing. For us girls, we decided to just make our daughters' nails. Then we had a nice conversation talking about beauty, and everything that girls would like to talk about concerning beauty. It was so good. Beauty on the inside, beauty on the outside. Love it. Finally managed to work out and shower. And boy, what a weekend it has been. Those kids are still having such a nice time. It's Saturday afternoon. Now, one thing those kids could not believe is that they saw me make an entire cake and then frost it. And then they ended up not tasting it even a little bit. So I want to go and make for them the same cake and frost it. And we're going to have it with tea as they keep having fun. And yeah, we are so blessed to be able to do this for our kids. And we are blessed to have you hang out with us. So if you want to find out a few more snacks that you can make, let's say you're hosting kids or friends or just for your family, check out this video over here, and I'll see you over there. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.